Hi volunteers, we are here with Sport today. Last month you guys learned about why we use a cribbing collar for Sport. Today we're going to show you how we use a cribbing collar for Sport. Okay, so when you arrive at the barn, Sport will already have his cribbing collar on. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the lead rope up and over Sport's neck and pull area just so that we have some control when we're putting the halter on Sport. So we're going to get the halter ready. And the reason that we want to keep this cribbing collar on during haltering and saddling is just like you learned in last month's newsletter, that's going to help Sport from being able to extend his neck and be able to gulp the air so that Sport stays nice and healthy. Okay, so once Sport's halter is on and his lead rope is attached, we can lead him out into the cross ties for grooming and saddling. Okay, so we're going to pretend that Sport is groomed and saddled. We are going to be leaving the cribbing collar on during grooming and saddling. So this part of the video is going to show you how we take the cribbing collar off with his halter on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep my lead rope in my left hand and I'm just going to start undoing the buckles. Sport has 2 buckles here and all they do is just lift up. And there's a roller on them, so they're nice and easy to slide. So we'll just slide this down. And the cribbing collar just slides out nicely for Sport. Okay, volunteers, so we're done with class and we are going to be putting Sport back in his stall and putting his cribbing collar on. So I'm going to show you how we do that. We're going to first take our lead rope and put it up and over his neck and pull area so that we have some good control of Sport. We're going to unhook his halter here, and here's a neat trick that we can do. We can still just buckle it here up under his throat so we have a little bit more control. So I have Sport's cribbing collar right here. There's 2 buckles here. There's 2 latches with rollers. So what we do is this thick underside goes under his neck, and then the 2 straps, one goes on the front of his ears and one goes behind his ears. So I'm going to buckle them. Sport's cribbing collar is marked with 2 silver marks. We're going to be using the first mark here just because Sport has his winter coat in and he's a little bit fluffier. When he sheds out for springtime, we'll probably be going up to these higher second notches. And as you can see, Sport is a very good sport about having his cribbing collar put on. Thank you everybody for helping us keep Sport happy and healthy. If you ever need assistance with haltering or putting the cribbing collar on Sport, just ask any instructor or any staff member and we'd be happy to help you.